Okay, another test to evaluate the health of the generator is to disconnect the positive battery terminal. So when we're idle right now, the generator is reconnected to the voltage regulator. We have no generator light on in the car. I'm going to disconnect the positive battery cable and then turn all of my accessories on. Okay, previously that worked successfully. So let's try one more time.
Okay. Hold on, let me. Oh shoot, I gotta put it. Hands are out?
Yeah. Okay. You still recording?
Yeah.
Alright, let me sit down in there for a second. Okay. Okay, I'm going to turn the lights on.
Disconnecting the battery.
Okay, positive battery cable is detached. Now the lights are dimming, but when I give it some gas, you can see that
Right, and
they go back up. So I think that might be a sign that the generator is working. Maybe. You turn on the four ways. More drain on the. Oh, there it goes. The four ways usually do it. But it will run if I, if I encourage it with the gas pedal a little bit. So that was another test for
alright.
further.
Alright, are we done? Cut the video?
Yeah, cut